Well, this is Bill 667, and as you well know, I love old firearms. Also like old tractors and old houses, and just like bringing things back to life, breathing some new life into them. This is my 1952 Ford 8N tractor. I bought it, probably about 10 years ago. Ran good, which is good, but it needs some love. As you can tell, I've already started tearing into it. Now, previously, I rebuilt the front steering. I needed upper and lower bushings in the spindles, and then a lower thrust bearing, and then brand new wheel bearings. And on this one, this side, the entire spindle was bad, so I had to replace it. On the other side, this is still the original 1952 spindle. And today I'm going to get ready to replace a water pump, a coil, and the cap and rotor and wires. The interesting thing with this tractor, when I bought it, none of the electrical worked. In fact, the only gauge that worked on the tractor was the oil gauge. That is it. The proof meter down here I replaced, and the proof meter probably about 5 years ago, and then it locked up. It's been sitting there at 70 hours ever since, so that's as far as it wanted to go, so I had to buy a new one of those. My fenders, I took those off. In fact, I painted the inside of them with a brush. I wanted a good thick coat of paint to protect the inside. This is not a restoration to make it look like it came brand new. It's just to help protect the tractor. And I'm well known up there at the hardware store because it's a constant trip to go get new bolts for it to keep everything up and running. I'm also going to replace the PTO shaft. It's got a brand new overrunning clutch. I've already replaced the box blade adjustment over there on the right. So need to take the wheels off, need to redo the brakes. So I've got a lot of work left to do. Need to pull the oil filter canister, sand it down, repaint it. Battery box is fairly good. It's got a few little holes in it, but it still works. So anyway, I will try to do videos as we work on this. You can come along as I restore it. Obviously got the hood off. That's going to need a complete restoration. I had to order new headlights. The inside were so rusty, I don't think I can get a good ground on them. A neighbor was able to help me repair the front bumper on it, had a bad dent in it, and then had to reform a brand new top bar because it was missing. So anyway, I will try to keep you apprised with what's going on and keep some videos coming. Also thinking about replacing the front pivot pin. We will see how bad that is. I'm going to get it up on a jack and see if there's any slop in it. But yeah, that'll be fun. Anyway, I'll let you know, and hopefully you can come along and watch what we're doing.